Creating a budget can be a challenging task, especially when faced with financial stress and uncertainty. It may seem like a painful reminder of limited resources and restricted spending. However, it's precisely in those moments of hardship that the true power of budgeting reveals itself. By understanding our financial inflows and outflows, we gain clarity and control over our finances. Today, in this video, we're sharing 5 easy steps to create a budget for managing your money. Step number 1. Assess your income and expenses. Start by evaluating your monthly income sources, such as salary, side hustles, or investments. Next, thoroughly analyze your existing expenses, including rent, mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation costs, loans, and credit card payments. Don't forget to consider occasional expenditures like insurance premiums or car maintenance. Track them over several months to ensure accuracy. By doing so, you'll have an accurate understanding of where your money goes. Step number 2. Define financial goals. Determine what financial milestones are important to you, whether it's saving for emergencies or future investments, and set clear objectives with specific deadlines. Understandably, challenging goals might require more significant adjustments in other areas of the budget, like reducing discretionary spending. Step number 3. Categorize spending. Now it's time to categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses include rent, mortgage payments, while variable expenses cover groceries or entertainment. Monitor previous bank statements to ascertain recurrent costs accurately, along with their approximate values under each category. Step number 4. Allocate money accordingly. With all expense categories identified along their costs laid out before you, review each expenditure item individually. Evaluate the necessity against available funds without compromising crucial areas such as debt repayment or savings contributions aligned with goal fulfillment mentioned earlier in Step 2 above. Divert funds accordingly from non-essential categories towards priority items, ensuring suitable allocations based on importance within the time frame of overall income limitations. And step number 5. Track and adjust regularly. Once the budget is implemented conscientiously, by diligently tracking both income and expenses, you will obtain useful insights into potential problem areas requiring attention. Use various personal finance applications to help streamline this process effortlessly. Regularly reassess and adjust the budget to accommodate any changing circumstances or financial goals. By consistently following these 5 steps, you will empower yourself with a well-constructed budget that aligns with your income, monitors expenses efficiently, allows for savings and investments while facilitating financial stability in both the short and long term.